Hello, my Foxies. This is Foxy by Nature. And yes, it's another unboxing from Grow You Foxy. And this time again, it's another unboxing from Sassy Jones. But I got this one on the HSN network, the Home Shopping Network. She also has some of her products on the Home Shopping Network. And I'm excited to open this one up. I'm not sure if both items, I ordered two items from there, but I'm hoping that they're both in this same box. And if not, the other box will be coming soon, and I'll just do that one in a separate video. But I just want to go ahead and start opening this up and let you guys see exactly what I got this time from Sassy Jones from the Home Shopping Network. Let's jump right in. But before we do that, go ahead and hit that like, share, and subscribe button so that way you don't miss out on another video from Girl You Foxy. Let's jump right in. Packaging. It looks like we got the one item, so the other item is probably coming in some box. Prettier than I thought it would be. A couple of things on here. I cut these tags off. And we're going to cut off this extra plastic on the straps. Gotta be careful not to cut the bag. What's cool about this duffel bag is I like how the zipper and the hardware have this kind of like metallic-y, rainbowy type of shimmer to it. I've never seen anything like this before. It's really, really cool. I'm trying to get all the plastic and paper off so you guys can see exactly. Inside of the bag. That's the fun part. Getting on the inside of the bag. So here's the duffel bag. Okay, so let's open it up. It's pretty heavy duty. Let's get the zipper pretty heavy duty. So I can stuff it inside. It has its own, looks like a strap in here. It's also attached. It's a pretty decent sized duffel bag. It also came with its own little travel bag. So if I was taking it on a trip and I didn't want to damage the bag and get it all scratched up, if I'm going to be changing purses or something like that. But this is just a cool bag to have in itself to put anything in. It's an extra little gift, I think. Still more packaging paper in there. That's how big the bag is. Okay, so the inside of the bag, I'll try to let you see it. a lot of pouches. Zippers here to put things in. And it's got another little pouch in between here. And then another zipper part that you can open up. And put some additional things inside of there. And then it's got this bigger part down in here, the main part at the bottom. Then on the opposite side, then another pouch to put some additional items. So it's separated pretty good. And then I'm going to attach the strap on here. Let's see how that looks with the strap. And unpackage the strap. A lot of packaging, protective packaging. We appreciate that. We don't want any damages to our items, do we, ladies? Any unnecessary wear and tear we don't want to have prior to us using our bags or items. So here is the strap. Here's the hardware I was explaining to you, how it's got that shine. And it's got different colors, and it kind of changes colors as it's going. So all of the hardware has that same effect on there, as you can see. So we're going to attach the straps to the bag. Let's see what it looks like. This bag is so perfect because you can add little tassels and toggles to it just to kind of fancy it up if you kind of like some purse jewelry, what I might say, because I actually have a couple of little purse jewelry bags that I have. But I think this bag is just so cool, and you can just fit tons of stuff in here. I mean, if you have a tablet, I'm sure your tablet will fit in here. Wallets, sunglasses, eyewear, everything, anything you want to put in here is just awesome. I think this is an awesome travel bag, or just an everyday bag to your everyday bag. If you have it, I mean, I wish I had this in other colors, like black and other little fancy colors like purple. This is just so cute. They only had this color and I think another yellow color is what they had left on the Home Shopping Network website for Sassy Jones. If you go to Home Shopping Network and type in Sassy Jones, all of her items will come up that she sells over there. So I think this is just the coolest little bag that we can use. So cute. Go across the body, and girl, we gone. Bye. So there you have it. Another unboxing from Girl You Foxy from Sassy Jones on the Home Shopping Network. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, share, or like. And don't forget, you are beautiful. Thank you for watching and supporting the channel. Bye-bye.